public anger as Chadzamira mocks Chamisa over turning to church. Masvingo, the 12th of September 2025. Masvingo Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Ezra Chadzamira, has drawn sharp criticism after mocking citizens' leader advocate nelsonchamisa, alleging that he has abandoned politics in favor of church activities. Speaking at Rujiko Secondary School on Thursday, while campaigning ahead of Saturday's Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, Chadzamira told residents that the opposition no longer had a leader. "You say you are following Chamisa, but he is no longer involved in politics. Avakuita ZVAITWA. He is now concentrating on church ministry. So all these opposition candidates do not have a leader. If they come to my office, I will not even open the door," he declared. Chadzamira urged voters to instead back ZANU-PF, saying the ruling party offered the only credible leadership. However, his remarks immediately sparked backlash from both political figures and residents, who accused him of disrespect and desperation. Former Masvingo Central MP Jefferson Chitando condemned the comments as reckless and politically motivated. "They must leave advocate Chamisa alone. The regime is terrified of Chamisa's influence. He has consistently inspired hope and unity among our people." Chadzamira's attempt to belittle him shows fear and desperation. Chamisa continues to lead with vision and integrity, and no amount of mockery will change that, Chitando said. Ordinary residents also dismissed Chadzamira's remarks, describing them as divisive and insulting. "We know who our leaders are. Chadzamira's comments will not sway our support for Chamisa. We are tired of empty threats and ridicule from those in power," said one voter. With the by-election looming, tensions in Masvingo remain high as voters accuse the ruling party of intimidation and smear tactics, while opposition supporters vow to stand firm behind Chamisa's leadership.